Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use the Novelah app, which is pretty simple. So it's available in the iOS and Android devices and you can use it there. So what is the Novelah app? Its app description is the app provides reading materials and novels for you to read. Stories are included such as romance, action, fantasy, horror, and other niches. It's a free source of novels with a different genre. If you have the talent for writing, you can also submit your own stories and get rewarded for them. When you are approved as a contract author, you'll receive rewards or payments. So you can join the Novelah app by just downloading it in the iOS App Store or in the Google Play Store. So is the app free for membership fee? Yeah, it's totally free, guys. So here you can also earn real money. So how do you do that? To earn points in the Novelah app, first you just have to go here to your enter invitation code and enter my code right here, which is 181-19541, stated right here in the top corner of my screen. You just go to enter invitation code and you enter my code, which is 181-1941, and there you go. And you will receive 30,000 balance points after that. You can also invite other people with your own invitation code. And as you can see here, I already got 500 points. And by inviting one new friend, you can earn up to 180,000 points for just one friend. And as you can see here, the steps on inviting people is clicking the button to share the invitation link. Then after that, once you have shared it with them, your friends will have to complete the registration form from your invitation link. Then you will get the bonus below once your invited friends have signed in and read novels. So as you can see here, you can also earn points by reading. So let's just read this and start reading. And as you can see here in the top right corner of my screen, there is a coin button loading, which will give me points every time I will read here. So as you can see, I have earned myself 113 coins just by reading this novel right here. And you can also cash out whatever points you have remaining in your account for real currency by pressing redeem later on, and I'll show you. So you just go to me, and here in the points record it will be stated that there's a redeem button, and then there you will have to choose from there your points to real currency or whatever is stated right there. And there you go, guys. That's just how you use the Novelah app, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.